In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Constant Contact. So in order to create a newsletter, you first need to head over to their website, which is constantcontact.com. Now in here, you can proceed to enter your email address in order to actually get 14 days free trial of their tool. Now, once you have successfully signed up, you should now be able to access your dashboard. If you already have an account, proceed to click onto this login. So here is my dashboard right here. In order to create a newsletter, you can find in here your left sidebar. Under the channels, you can find emails. Let's head over and click on that. Once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to click on this create an email option. This should be able to show you the template picker, and you can also generate a newsletter using the Constant Contact AI. You can actually see here all of the templates. You can also have the option to start from blank. But since we want to make it better, let's head over and just start from a template. So scroll all the way down until you can see featured, and under that you can choose in here the filter for newsletters. You can find in here some newsletters that you can actually utilize. So you can just swipe right here and see all of them right there, or you can also click onto this view all in order to find them all. So in my case, let me head over and choose in here this one. You can preview it, and once you're done, click onto this select option. Now, once you have selected it, it will actually open in this one. So in there, just head over and then edit it. So from in there, you can actually edit it according to your liking. You can change its details. You can just use this template and change what it says. So once you're done editing everything, next thing you need to do is you just head over and click on continue and then send this out to people that you want to send this newsletter with. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.